No, no, just reminded you for the body.
Yes, ma'am. I remember. I remember. Still, the meeting is getting converted. I'm just going to place it. So, Mala ma'am, as you asked me, if I click on photo book over here, it is starting with the template. And in this particular template, see here, some images are already there. See this. The photo book image is already there. We need not have to do anything over here.
Okay.
Okay. So if I flip this book now, if I flip this book, it has got a preset images or types over here. So you see here, these images are already there. So what I did in that my pot, the book which I showed you, what I did was I just selected this one. As you can see in the corners, all the corners are locked. You can see a lock symbol over here. So if you just right click this one, there is an option called as unlock. So click on this one, it is going to get unlocked. Now delete this image. Then you are going to go for choosing the file. So click on this one, choose any file, maybe mountains or something like that. Click on this one. So this images, now this image has come. I'm going to choose this one and click on add. Okay. So instead of the image which has been given by the template, you're going to put your own images. Now, suppose at this point here, I do not want this image to come. So the lock has to be removed first and then it has to be uploaded. So then unlock, click on right click and unlock, then delete this option, then click on upload, select this one. Now I want to choose my own file. So I'm going to go to files and choose this maybe rose or something. So now you can see this rose image is going to come over here. So this template, if you choose, they have a preset way or the demarcated zones of putting the images or the audio or video. Now I click on this plus, you get an option called as add a page. Now there are several types of pages. Suppose you want to create a table of contents page. You can click on this contents, heading and text, and then you have something called as image grid is there. 4 columns are there. Then large image grid, and you can choose this video. As I told you, you can choose this video option. So if you click on that option, just a minute, teachers, they are joining now. I'm supposed to admit them. So now again, what you're going to do, you're going to upload the image, video over here. So you can right click over here. So not right click on this plus, import, and then I want to embed any file, video file. If you want to import, choose the relevant file from your computer, and then you can upload the video also from your Drive or from Google Drive or anything, it can be done. So that is how you're going to insert any video over here. This text part, as you can see, there is something already written over here. Just right click it, unlock it, and then if you again click on this one, the text is going to come. Select this text and type whatever you want. This is a video of my science project, something like this. You're going to type and click on done. Okay. So next, since you have chosen this template, it is going to come like this. Similarly, if you go to a new book and choose a newspaper option also I have done. Let me show you first that how it looks like, and then we can come and choose a template here. This is the newspaper that I have done. So what I did was, whatever was there, I took some matter and I changed it. Previously, the name of the newspaper was different. So I selected this one and I removed that and I have given this image, but the text is not removed over here. See, it is still in the locked position. Okay, so you can right click it, unlock it, and then type your own newspaper information over here. This is a very interesting one, especially for English teachers, those who give these activities. These are the inbuilt ones that this I have not created. So if you click over here, it is locked. Then right click it, unlock it, and then you are going to edit this text. So news and current affairs, you can write Indian news or something like that and click on done. And you can change the alignment, font, and everything. So we go to my book. So a newspaper we saw, images, videos, everything. Now how to download this one and use it in a ebook reader? That was the next question which we have to understand. Now any book that you have created, you can see here, right click. Now here, okay, some background. Okay. Okay, I've muted everybody. So you're going to use this one, read, move to library, combine book, share. So I am click on share, publish online. That we have already learned how to publish online. Download as ebook. So we are going to click on this option now. Click on as download as ebook. So at the bottom here you can see file is getting downloaded and it is by the name A New Book to EPUB. The extension of this ebooks will be EPUB. So EPUB books cannot be opened in any other platform except the book reader platform. So now what I will do is I'm going to show you one of the apps which are or applications which I've downloaded for reading this ebook. So that one is called as Caliber. Okay, so this one I have downloaded. This has to be installed. Teachers, let me tell you, this has to be installed in the normal way as other applications are installed. So this is the new version information that I'm getting. This is the screen of ebook. One book I have already put over here. Let me add some books which I have downloaded now. I'll click on add books option. Then this is the book that I have downloaded just now. Teachers, as you can see, I'm going to select this one and click on open. So it has added that one. It is going to add a new book. Now, how are we going to see this one? This is a very book. So this is a very good application to make a library also, digital books of your library for teachers. So this is the book that has come. Now, path, click to open. I'm going to click this to open the file. This is the path it is showing over here. Okay. Now, we can read this book also. So if you click this one, view book, view option is also there. So select this one. It is opening now. It will take some time. See, the book is open. You can maximize it and you can see it. Now, this has come not in the flip book format, but in the PDF format. Some ma'am was asking how it is going to come. It is going to look something like this, ma'am. It is going to be available in this format, but you can arrange all the ebooks. Okay, if you want to watch the video also, it is going to come, the next video.
Ma'am, can we embed this also in the YouTube also?
This YouTube link or the book? What are you telling, ma'am?
So in our YouTube channel. In our own YouTube channel.
This link you're telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Obviously, you can do it. I think I have not tried, ma'am, so I'm not sure whether you can put this link or not. I think it can be done because it is available online. But for any PUB extension of any file, you need a book reader. I have downloaded Caliber. If you go to Google and see, many such book readers are available. Even Kindle is also there, and other systems are also there. Other applications are also there, which will help you. So you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just a minute. I'll open some books online. Now, e-book readers. Okay, so if you search this one, Kindle is also there. Okay, best ebook readers of 2021. If you go and click here, some names you are going to get. So see here, we have Amazon Kindle, Kobo, Clara, all these things are there. These things have to be tried and tested. I found that Caliber was an easy one to download and install and use it. So I have downloaded that. Okay. So now we can go back to Caliber and see our book. It is how this school activities book also is there. This also I can view it and show it to you. For that, you have to download the book and you can see it. I think it is opening. I'm only admitting people today. Okay, we can go for view. Just a minute, I'm selecting that. So many things are going on. It is loading now. Yes. It'll take some time for loading it.
Ma'am, meantime, just tell me from where did you take that newspaper type and all? Just tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to show you that. So I think this is clear how to view it. If you maximize it in the PDF format, you're going to get it. Okay. So these are the images that I put depending on the template. Keeping the student's point of view, I have created all these ebooks. So let us quickly go back to our place of ebook reader. Yes. I'm going to open that and show it to you. Ma'am, if you go over here, so you go to new book. Okay. If you go to new book, then there is an option called as templates. Can you see this, ma'am? Templates. So click on templates, and here you have an option called as newspaper. So you just click on this one, click on newspaper, and you are ready with the newspaper. Okay, so you can remove all the things which are there and put your own images. Suppose this image I do not want. So first unlock this one, unlock it, then delete it, then upload any image. So now I'm going to choose a latest one. Olympics is the latest one. I'm going to choose this one and put that as the main picture for my newspaper. Select this one, click on add. So the image will get uploaded in my newspaper. So then all these stories, whatever headlines, what the newspaper name, everything can be edited. And if you just click on this arrow button, you get all the templates ready. News and current affairs is there. If you click on right next page, now it is going to show you. Just a minute, something happened. Okay. Are you able to see my screen, teachers? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Yes, because there was a blackout in my laptop. That is why I thought it was not visible. So you can click on that art. The next was art and culture. So it was showing that one. And then just a minute, it is hanging in from my side. Maybe too many times I clicked on that new book, view book or something. That is why it is coming. I'm not able to see anything. What can you see, teachers? I'm not able to see anything. It's blackout for me. Am I audible? Yes. Hello. Okay, there was some problem with Calibre. Let me just close this. I'm closing this one. Am I audible, teachers? Hello. Hang over there. Am I audible? ನಾನೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಈಗ? ನಂದೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಪುಟ್ಟಚ್ಚಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳು. ಹಾ ಹಾ ಹೇಗ್ ರೀಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ನಾನು? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಝೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಹಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಾಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಬಂದ್ ಕೂತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಏನಾರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿದು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು?
व्हाट्सएप ओपन है,
अरे ये तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा मेरे को, रुको.
कैमरा चालू है तुम्हारा.
ಹಾ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ.
वो आता है लग
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
ग्रुप पर मैसेज मारो मैं
ಅದೇ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ವಿಂಡೋ.
ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ?
ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡು.
ರೀಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
ಹಾ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡು.
ರೀಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.